guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Preschool box. Super cute box. This is a monthly subscription that gives you preschool activities and encourages learning, reading, all sorts of stuff. So let's take a look. Parent guide and activity workbook. So this practices letters, identifying sounds, shapes, patterns, different activities. Like little crafts to make. And then some worksheets. They can trace the letters. This is perfect too because Raylan's just about preschool age, so I'm gonna do some of this stuff with her. Little reading log. Ooh, it even comes with a snack. We love a box that sends a snack. This one is a go-go squeeze in strawberry flavor. She's gonna love that. Then we have a geoboard double side with band set. Yeah, that's exactly what I thought that was. I remember playing with these when I was younger. You stretch the bands, you can make different patterns and designs. It's really cool. And those are the bands that go with it. Nice and colorful. Ooh, we have a book. So I did read that every box comes with a book. I did an unboxing of this subscription a long time ago and they've changed some things. So you can check out that other video too if you want to see how it compares. But they have made some changes to it. It's an adorable little book about llamas. They're gonna love that. We read a ton in our house. Cute. And this is the rest of the stuff for the activities. We have some cards. Has the letters on the back. String and some little googly eyes. A couple strings actually. Some smaller strings, some beads, cotton balls, a little sheet, some Play-Doh. I think the one I got before came with Play-Doh too, and there's a little activity for that. Some clouds, another string. Everything is separated for you. And then the bottom, you get a folder, which has the other papers and stuff that goes with the activities. So there's a giant I, J, extra cardstock, some shapes, L is for lion. So it looks like everything is separated and in its own little baggies. That way you can easily follow along with the booklet they give you. So there's the geoboard shapes. Practice doing different ones. Letter of the day, there's the cotton ball activity when the little black paper behind it came with it. So they have that nicely packaged. So really easy to find and follow along. Here's the one activity with the googly eyes and the string. And they have pictures of everything, which is super helpful. So yeah, very cool. I will go ahead and put their link below in case you have a child age 3 to 6 that you would like to do some activities with. Very fun subscription and of course educational. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.